Hi everyone, how are you doing and thanks for checking in. In today's video, you will learn how to delete blank rows in Excel. To start, open up your MX Excel on your PC. You go to any Excel file and you will see the blank rows inside the data. Now, to remove all the blank rows, you select all the data. Now, in the Home tab above, this is the Home tab. In the Home tab, you locate and click on the Find and Select button at the right side of the screen. Click on the Go To option and this will appear. Now you click on the Special button and select Blanks. Click on OK. Then all the blank rows will be selected. Now, to delete them, you press Ctrl minus and this option will appear. You can select to either shift the cells left or shift it up, or to delete the entire rows and column. You delete the entire empty or blank rows and column. So whichever is your choice, you click on it and press, or you click on OK. Now all your blank rows will be deleted, as you can see in the screen. So that's it guys, easy and straightforward. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. Bye and see you in the next video guys.